How to fix an error occurred while creating the media file error. Now, in this very quick video, I'm going to show you the most convenient resolution for you to fix an error occurred while creating the media file error. So what exactly is happening right here? The file that you're trying to pull up or open is actually not compatible with the driver version that you currently have. So you can go ahead and pull up NVIDIA and then go into drivers. The specific error that we're receiving right here is actually reading the version of around 581.94 or lower. So since we're currently running with 610.74, then what you want to have to do is to pull up your web browser available and just simply type in NVIDIA cleanup tool. Now you're gonna have to download this and then just simply run it as usual. Follow on screen prompts, and once you successfully downloaded that or did the installation, your PC will ask you to reboot your computer. You just have to reboot it normally, and then once it is successfully up, you're gonna have to reinstall the older version of the driver. So go back into NVIDIA's official website and then go on onto the drivers tab. Once you're here, all I have to do is to choose on GeForce, or you can choose on your designated operating system that you've right here and choose on Fine. Now our main goal here, just simply download the lower version of the drivers from NVIDIA. So once you got here, just simply scroll all the way down and choose on View More versions. And then you can actually go with 581.80 because this is the actual file or the driver that you need to download on your operating system so that it will fix the issue. And that's it. That's how you fix an error occurred while creating the media file error.